Hello, my sewing friends. I'm back again with one of those quick little tips that make my sewing life a lot easier, and maybe it will yours too. This, I have to say, came out of a very duh moment for me not very long ago. Now, I don't know if I knew this before or if I just figured it out or if I forgot or what, but I couldn't believe it was such a simple thing that, of course, I should have known, but just recently figured out. So before I get started, it has to do with patterns, and the reason I am holding a manila envelope is that I don't store my patterns, my pattern pieces in the envelope in which they came. Instead, I take these, put them in a notebook and a page protector, and then I can flip through my notebook, kind of like a pattern catalog that you'd have at the store, see what I've got, and the rest of it goes in a manila envelope. If you would like to hear me talk more about how I do that and show you, I will be happy to do that. Just let me know in a comment below. Okay, so here's what happened. Oh, by the way, this is this, in case you're wondering. What happened was I was sewing something. I don't think it was this because I made this a while ago, but I was sewing something, and as I sew, I take the pattern pieces that I use and I stick them back in the envelope. And I do that so I won't lose them. Well, I'm sewing right along, and all of a sudden I need one of the pattern pieces that I've already put away. And so, just like every other time, I go flipping through going, okay, what piece was it? And having to unfold and go, okay, what is this it? And you know, inevitably, you're gonna unfold every piece in the whole envelope before you get to the one you want. Well, it occurred to me that I could make my life a lot easier if I would just fold them in such a way as I could readily see what piece it was, and you know, like the number of the piece, the name of the piece, even things like the pattern number, you know, like from here, and the sizes, all the things that are printed on the front of the pattern piece. I could see them a lot better if I would just fold the thing in such a way that that was on top. So I started doing that. Couldn't believe that I didn't figure that out. But since then, every pattern I've been using, I have done that. And so now I can readily see that's piece 9, that's piece 3, you know, and some of them, you got to fold them kind of crazy. Like this is piece 1, and it's folded into thirds and, you know, different pieces. I mean, it really doesn't matter how you fold it. It just matters that the pattern description on the piece is showing like that. And so now I store them all like that. I have all the pieces folded in such a way that I can readily see what they are. So if I need a piece after I've used it and put it away, I can easily find it. So that's my duh tip for today, and hopefully my duh moment will be redeemed, because maybe it'll be something you start doing and it'll make your life easier when you sew. So that's it for now for me, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.